Hey guys, Craig again with another how-to video. Today we're doing roach gel.
I buried those cockroaches.
Specifically, we're going to explain to you Vendetta Plus Roach Gel. So let's show you the package that it comes in. This is how it will show up to you. The great thing about this gel bait, it has what's known as an IGR. So other baits typically are just going to have a contact or ingestion kill, or a combination of the two. This has an IGR, which stands for insect growth regulator, meaning that when they eat this, it disrupts the reproduction cycle, eliminating it altogether eventually over time. So just a great all-in-one product here, Vendetta Plus. But let's go ahead and open it up. Open it up, you're going to have the label there. It's going to have some stuff on the back. You're going to have your plunger. You're going to have your tips. And you're going to have your 4 tubes of bait. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your first tube of bait of choice. You're going to take off the cap. You're going to pull out one of your little tips, either the plastic one, which is a little wider, or a metal one right here. You're just going to do a half clockwise turn onto the tip of the tube, and you're good to go. Insert the, let me put this down, it'll show better for you. Insert the plunger, just like you were getting a shot at the doctor's office, and you're ready to go to town. Where do you place this? This is going to be placed in kitchens, in bathrooms like we're in today. So let's show you how to use this in a bathroom. If I had a roach problem in here, I'm going to do the steps that I just showed you. Then I'm going to place little dots of this. And when I say dots, it's going to be about half the size of your pinky nail on average, or a pinhead. A pinhead is probably a better example. You're going to take and put a dot there. You're going to put a dot there. They're just sporadic placements of the bait. Inside of cupboards, they have a tendency to hide, whether this be a bathroom cupboard or a kitchen. They tend to hide in cracks and crevices of hinges. So you would place a dot in there. You would place a dot in the corner. If you were having problems down below, you would go behind the toilet. You would place dots on the baseboard. There's no specific placement of this bait. It's where you're getting activity, and then you're going to monitor until you see the bait is gone, and then if necessary, you're going to rebait if you still have a population or infestation of roaches. This stuff works fairly fast. Within 2-3 days, you should notice a significant decrease in the population. Let me give you a tip that screws this product up. Any of these gel baits, for a lot of people, they go and they spray what's known as a repellent. A repellent would be something you would get at like a Home Depot, like a Home Defense or an Ortho or something like that. Those are good products, but they're repellents, so they're pushing the insect away. If you spray a repellent and then put a bait down like this that's a non-repellent, you're going to contaminate this bait and make it undesirable for the roaches, and it will not work. So you either want to put this down where you have sprayed a non-repellent, let it dry, then put this down. Most non-repellents you're not going to find over the counter. It's going to be through somebody like us or your professional pest control operator. So put that down, non-repellent, let it dry, then spray this. Now you're kind of doing a combination and hitting them with 2 different products. If it's a non-repellent, you're going to totally have to wipe that product away to make this product effective. So that's just a little tip that the professionals know about. These bait cards right here come in every roach gel that we sell. It's just a placement card for kitchens, and then it has a few tips on the back on how to place it, things that I've gone over right now. So this is Vendetta Plus. It's a great roach gel bait. Add it to your rotation. When I say rotation, if you're constantly using these gel baits, they will get used to one gel bait, so you have to rotate to a different gel bait of choice. If you have any questions, guys, give us a holler at howtopest.com. Otherwise, have a great day.